Welcome, guys. Today, we're going to add a film halation effect in Premiere Pro less than 1 minute. First, duplicate your video clip. Hold the Alt key, Option on Mac. Then click and drag your clip directly upwards to the track above it. Next, we need two effects. Go to the Effects panel. Search for Luma key. Drag it onto your duplicated top clip. Then, back in the Effects panel, search for Gaussian blur. Drag Gaussian blur onto that same duplicated clip. Now select the duplicated clip on your timeline. Go to the Effect Controls panel. Find the Luma key settings. Set threshold to 90 and cutoff to 85. This isolates the brighter areas of your video where the halation will appear. Then find Gaussian blur in the Effect Controls. Increase the blurriness value until you achieve the desired intensity of the halation effect. To see the full impact, you can quickly click the eye icon next to the track. And that's how you create a film halation effect in Premiere Pro using Luma key and Gaussian blur. If this was helpful, like and subscribe for more quick Premiere Pro tutorials. Wishing you all the best and see you in the next one.